It's time to deploy a real world application. How do we do it? What is the process of it? This is what we're going to talk about in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. To copy the code base, all of the code files into our inside our AWS computer EC2 instance. And there are several ways to achieve it. And one such is GitHub. Yep. We are going to clone the repository, and then we will install the dependency, do the configuration, and spin up the server. But if my repository is private, then how we do it? Well, to achieve this, what we can do is we can just log into our GitHub. We can then go to our settings, and then from the left side we will see something called SSH GPG keys. There we will be able to add new SSH key. And what is this SSH and all of that? First of all, do some googling about it. What is this GitHub SSH? We'll have the idea what it is. But in case still you get confused, just do a simple comment. I will make a video on it. So I guess you already know what is GitHub SSH connection. So now we have to go back to our server. We have to connect our computer. Come on. Okay. Now just click and connect. It's connecting. All right. It took a lot of time to just, connect the system. Anyways, now we first of all have to install Git in our system. So sudo apt install Git. Simple. It says it's already installed. That's great. That's great. That's great. Now we can just say SSH dash key gen. SSH just generate a key for me. So keygen. Press enter. It will ask you the questions. So just press enter, enter, enter in case you don't have any specific requirements for your key. And once you see the videos, as I told you, just do some googling and see some videos on YouTube, so you will be clear enough what is this SSH. So you have the SSH keys by now. Now just press type sudo cd and just let me tell you, just press cd and then just type cd dot slash dot ssh. Yeah, we have the keys right now. Now just type get id rsa pub. There will be two files called id rsa. Let me just type ls. One is id rsa, another one is id rsa.pub. So we will be using the public one, rsa.pub. You'll have some of the gibberish character and all of that. Just copy entire thing, right button, just copy and go back to the GitHub. Click on new SSH key, give some kind of a name, temp AWS deploy, any name that makes sense to you. Add SSH key. It will ask for the password, so I will be giving the password here. Okay, you have successfully added the key temp that name. Now go back to the computer and just type SSH dash capital T and then github.com and enter. It will say yes or no. Yes, I want to give the permission to yes. Hi, MD Ajmin Pradhan, you have successfully authenticated. So now we can clone any private repository. Can we? Yeah, definitely we can. Let's quickly do a testing. Click on new and then just stamp AWS deploy test and make it a private repo. Add readme and create repository. Make sure you add readme. Why? Let me show you. Okay, we have at least one file here, right? Just one file at least. Now we can just go to SSH, copy the URL, not HTTPS, SSH. Now go back to the computer and just clear it and press CD so that we come out from this SSH folder. And now ls, yeah. Now git clone this. See, will it clone? Let's try to do ls. Yeah, it's cloned our repository. So one such way is to set up the SSH and then clone your repository. And once you have the repository inside your AWS, then install the packages, whatever you do, just do it. So this is one such way to copy your code base to EC2 computer. Hope you understood. In case you still have some confusions, the comment box of YouTube doesn't charge anything, so just do it. Okay, I'm gonna surely catch you up in the next one.